Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog! You know what's funny? Sometimes, when you love riding motorbikes, makadiscover jud ka og mga places nga wala nimo damha nga naa di ay. And today, we found out of those hidden gems sa vacation farm just near Cebu City. Pag abot pa lang namo diri, ma-feel na dayon nimo ang kalinaw sa surroundings. You're surrounding by trees, fresh air, and farm vibes. Mura kag nakawala sa stress sa city life. Of course, first stop, foodie time. Their food is really something special. Vegan kaayo ang style. But lami jud siya. Lahi ra sa atong mga usual recipes sa city ba. Kay diri, you can really taste the freshness. Most of the ingredients are fresh from their own farm. Ma-feel jud nimo nga bilong ka sa nature. Kay every bite tastes natural and healthy. Dili oily, dili heavy, busog gihapon ka. Option is simple but classy. Grabe, ulit jud. After namo kaon, nag-scroll lang mi gamay. Chill mode while enjoying the view. The whole place give you the relaxing and slowly living vibe. Perfect kaayo for unwinding or just spending quiet time with your loved ones. While exploring, we found one of the best parts of families. The playground for kids, perfect spot para malingaw ang mga bata while parents can relax or take photos. Smalls food, pero gamay ra. Sakto lang para ma-feel gihapon nimo ang farm life. It's really fun to just walk around and enjoy the sight, sounds, and happy energy of everyone's around. After that, we visited their mini farm where you can see different plants and herbs. Plus, they also sell plants. So kung plantito or plantita ka, for sure, mahappy jud ka diri. It's amazing to see how fresh and healthy everything is. At least diri, ma-feel jud nimo ang simple and healthy lifestyle. Unya, makita nimo ang mga bata na nagduwa-duwa, nagdagandagan lang, and everyone just enjoy the moment. For me, personally, I feel my inner child slowly healing. Mura jud kag na-transform balik sa simple joy sa life, nga walay worry, just pure happiness. It reminds you that sometimes, maura di ay na ang kinabuhi nga kinahanglan nato to slow down, enjoy the view, and just be happy. It's really that kind of place nga makahatag og peace of mind, good food, and a breath of fresh air, both literally and emotionally. So kung nangita mo og place nga maka-relax, maka-refresh, og ma-remind sa simple life, this is definitely worth visiting. And again, doora kaayo siya sa Cebu City. And before we wrap up, kung gusto pod ka magpabilin og longer stay, naapod sila'y accommodation. Cozy, clean, and relaxing. Perfect siya for overnight stay or a weekend escape, especially if you want to fully enjoy the peaceful farm vibes and wake up to fresh air and nature. So that is for today's vlog, guys. Adlawan Vacation Farm truly gave us that perfect mix of nature, good food, and peaceful moment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more chill and meaningful adventures. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!